What's up guys, Realme X50, the 5G smartphone which is Realme's first 5G phone, is expected to debut in China in December 2019. Only a few details of the smartphone have been officially confirmed by the manufacturer. First, the Realme X50 5G will be sporting a dual punch hole display that will house two selfie snappers. Second, the phone will be driven by Snapdragon 765 chipset. A leaked render of the smartphone has surfaced recently, which reveals its front and rear design. As it can be seen in the leaked render, the display of the Realme X50 5G phone is fitted with a pill-shaped cutout at the upper left corner. The screen is also surrounded by the slim bezels and is embedded with an in-display fingerprint reader. The color gradient back of the Realme X50 5G could be made out of glass, and the upper half of its rear features a vertical camera setup that includes 4 lenses, and alongside the module is a two-tone LED flash. The fourth lens in the setup may be a periscope sensor. According to the sources of the leaked render, Snapdragon 765G powered the Realme X50 5G smartphone is equipped with a 12GB of RAM, and it runs on ColorOS 7 flavored Android OS. The internal storage of the device could be 128GB, and the smartphone carries support for 50-watt rapid charging. The source also claims that the Realme X50 5G series will launch in February 2020. Probably, the Snapdragon 765-driven Realme X50 5G may debut in December, and there could be a flagship edition arriving in the first quarter of 2020. The company is also rumored to be working on Realme X50 5G Youth Edition, which will be a lighter version of the Realme X50. So these are all the information that we have received from the leaked sources, and the specification and other details may vary during the launch of the phone. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.